Obfuscated servers are designed to hide the fact that you're even using a VPN. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect to and disconnect from NordVPN's obfuscated servers. If you don't have NordVPN yet, you can use the link in the description to get 74% off plus 3 extra months. Before you begin, keep in mind that obfuscated servers only work with the OpenVPN UDP or OpenVPN TCP protocols. If you're using NordLynx, the obfuscated option may be missing or grayed out, so you'll need to switch protocols first. On your Windows device, open the NordVPN app. Go into Settings and select either OpenVPN UDP or OpenVPN TCP. Without this step, obfuscated servers won't appear at all. Once that's done, return to the main screen and scroll down to the Specialty Servers section. Select Obfuscated Servers to connect immediately, or open the three-dot menu if you'd like to choose a specific country. When you're finished, simply click the Disconnect button to turn it off. That's all there is to it. If you'd like to try NordVPN and use features like obfuscated servers, feel free to use the link in the description for 74% off plus 3 bonus months.